When life gives you a banana, तुम उसको छील के खा जाना. Always remember what the old man said. तू गेम में रहेगा भाई until you are dead. Always remember what the old man said. तू गेम में रहेगा भाई until you are dead. When life gives you a banana, तुम उसको छील के खा जाना. तुरुरुरु. It is not about turning into music or coming into music after theatre and movies, but it just happened by the way. Rashmi Virag, who is a very famous lyrics writer, he's a writer also, director also. He came up with the idea, the Satyji, that I want to do something with you. I've written a song and I want you to sing it. I said, I'm not a singer. And he said, no, you will sing it because it is a very simple song with a simple tune and lyrics, When he let me hear the song in his own voice, I said, okay, it's a social song and I should be doing it, So I kind of rehearsed it and did. So it just happened by the way. I didn't plan it, I didn't this thing. जबकि हम अपने थिएटर में तो नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा में हमारे म्यूजिकल प्लेस होते थे, उसमें गाते थे. बट it just happened by the way, and nothing that I planned it or something like that. This banana song, जिसके lyrics जो हैं, when life gives you a banana, तुम उसको छील के खा जाना. It is a very very simple song. It is not a typical Bollywood song, but you can say on the lines of don't worry, be happy, और कोलावारी 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 डी. तो वो उस तरह का उस स्पेस के अंदर है. इट इज़ मच मोर ऑफ एन एक्टर सॉन्ग बिकॉज आई एम एन एक्टर. एंड व्हेन रश्मि विराग केम टू मी, आई सेड this is a very it is a social content. It is about that whatever comes in your life, whatever hardships you come into life, you have to take it with a smile, you have to take it with a stride and positivity. That is very very important. And I loved the whole concept of it, and that is how it was made. And the sur he set according to the what I could sing, very simple in a simple tone, and since I had sung in my theatre days, for me it was quite easy. And to tell you the truth, I did it in just one take, one song. So Rashmi Virag was taken aback that how could you do in just one take. I said, because you had rehearsed with me at home before, and it just happened. So we recorded the song long time back, 6 to 8 months back, and we were thinking that we will release it, give it to some music company, maybe, and then make a video out of it. But then this lockdown happened, and one day we got an idea that this is the right situation, because what we are into, we need positivity, we need hope, we need people to give confidence, and people to give a smile, that in hardships, in these corona times, in this COVID-19 times, we should be happy, because those stresses will make you much more ill. It is you have to take the life with a positive, that everything will be possible. And that is the words are like that in this. When you hear the song, even the words are like that. जिंदगी है प्रॉब्लम भरी कहानी, सबको याद आती है उसकी नानी. तो सबको नानी याद आती है जब भी प्रॉब्लम होते हैं, पर खुशी के मौके तो प्रॉब्लम के बाद ही आते हैं. सो इट इज़ दैट इज़ हाउ इट हैपेंड. एंड वी थॉट दैट लॉकडाउन है, कैसे इसको शूट करेंगे. आई सेड आई विल शूट इट एट माई प्लेस ओनली. सो आई शॉट इट विद माई iPhone, and my daughter Vanshika helped me. She's 8 years, but today's children know everything about iPhones and iPads. So this is how it was done. We shot it at home, and edited it. I gave it to my editor, Vishal, and they kind of did a good job, and that is how the song was made. And life gives you a banana, तुम उसको छील के खा जाना. Oh, how I'm taking lockdown blues. You can say that with a smile, you know. You didn't know that you are going to be at home for 50 days, and you don't know, maybe more days after 17th May, or maybe end of May or June. You have to, one has set his mind that whatever comes, it is time for you to rediscover yourself, rethink yourself, you know, enjoy at home, you know, make your relationship stronger, know about the kitchen, know about your house, know about your non-living things in the house, what is required in the house, you know. So means I am taking it quite positively. There is so much negativity you hear, you know. Some bad news which comes, you know, something there has happened or there has happened, and so many people has died, you know. uh, this pandemic is supposed to do that, you know, and supposed to kill you, and supposed to kill your whole energy also, and your vision also, your dreams also. Your whole life can go haywire if you don't take life positively, and with that this is going to go. You have to really to, you know, make this war win. So I'm taking it as I have kind of, you can say that in my lifetime I have come across 1965 war, 1971 war, but this war is much bigger. Whole world is actually involved in this. Whole world is affected. So these are the worst time than even a war, you know. But it is, I am kind of uh, relating to my daughter Vanshika, my wife Shashi, you know. We are talking a lot, we are eating together, we are, you know, playing together, you know. There's a morning schedule, there is afternoon schedule, there is evening, there is you know, before we go to bed, playing ludo, playing saap cd, and you know, housey, or maybe see Vanshika doing either her dancing or the you know, skipping rope or something like that. In the morning, 3-4 hours go for online classes also, so kind of help her also. So this is also kind of spending your way. So that is how actually I'm taking my lockdown blues, and I'm only praying that we get through this, we sail through this, and I again request people that stay at home and stay safe. As soon as lockdown gets lifted, I'm going to take it very easy and calmly, because even after it gets lifted, you have to kind of follow certain rules and follow certain safety measures. You know, don't get into work, will not get into work immediately. But yes, I have lots on my plate, because I have to complete my dream project, Kaagaz. Kaagaz is already complete, it is censored. Some little work of the post production is left, you know, some titles and retitling that has to be done. And Kaagaz was supposed to get released on 15th of May, so it is not going to possible, so I'm going to wait. But before that, I'm going to get the film final print ready, because Salman Khan Films, SKF, is presenting the film, and the Satish Kaushik production, my company, is making the film. And the first thing I'm going to go is to complete Kaagaz and lay out a plan that how to release it, how to go about it, and how to you know, when the theater is going to open, I'm going to wait for that, or you know, have a meeting with the SKF that how to go about to release the film, you know. That will be on my plate immediately. That Kaagaz, which is a Pankaj Tripathi starrer, and I've directed a film after a long time, will get going, you know. My whole concentration will be on that. Apart from, yes, some scripts were being worked out, and I will start reworking on them, and some acting assignments if we start shooting. So let us see. But even after lockdown, I'm going to take it calmly and not rush into everything, you know, following the safety measures and everything. Yeah. yes, Salman has recited a very good poetry in the film, which comes in the beginning of the film and in the end of the film. But on its own, it is a great poetry written by Asim Ahmed Abbasi, and tuned by Rahul Jain, an upcoming music composer. And Salman has sung and recited it so well, that we decided we are going to make a video of that for the promotion. So it is based on the theme of Kagaz, that how Kagaz is important in our lives. हमारे पैदा होने से मरने तक कागज़ की क्या अहमियत होती है.